I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites and then power the spotlight. First, make sure mains voltage matches the fixture and that the fuse is correct, then switch power on. Once done, let the lamp initialize for the recommended warm-up time so intensity stabilizes. This reduces thermal stress. Make sure cooling fans run and vents are unobstructed to prevent overheating. If you followed these first actionable steps, the light will be ready for aiming and focusing without risking damage or shortened lamp life. You now shape and direct the beam where you need it. Start by roughly aiming the fixture, then engage the barn doors and shutter to block unwanted spill. Once positioned, tighten locking knobs to avoid drift. Next, adjust the focus control to change edge quality, tight for a hard spot, relaxed for a softer wash, because beam profile affects subject separation. Make incremental moves and observe from audience perspective, then fine-tune intensity and angle, so the subject is evenly lit without glare or distracting. You finish by locking settings and verifying performance for the event. First, secure clamps, safety cable, and any gel frames. Record lamp hours so you know when to swap bulbs. Then set intensity, gels, and diffusion to achieve the look and walk audience sightlines to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, flicker, hum, or loss of output, check power connections and ballast, let the lamp cool, and replace it if hours are high. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves the majority of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.